from the airport. Hi guys, so we just woke up. I went to go pick up my mom, and then we came back to the hotel room. It was 7, I think, and it's 11:37, and we're gonna sleep. We just woke up and we have to check out, and then we're probably gonna go like shopping or something. My brother went to epcot with his friend, because his friend is here too. So yeah, but I rechanged into my outfit, and then just gonna get ready and brush my teeth, do my makeup, and then yeah. But I'm just gonna pack my bag a little bit because we have to move hotel. Yeah. So this is my completed makeup, mascara, both eyes, and then oh wow, that one's flopping.
야, 손에 좀 바를래? 손등.
Lip tint.
앞에 봐, 짧게 있잖아.
I have my what is this I think. I didn't put on blush today, but I just put on sunscreen and some glitter that you cannot see. And yeah. So right now we're just going to the lobby to put our key.
걷자.
Check out. It's 12:30.
이런 풀어보려고 좋더라.
리조트를 뭐 한다고?
좀 걷자고요. 여기.
Oh wow, it looks different in this lighting. But anyway, so we're just going to the lobby because we're just going to walk around like yesterday a little bit. I didn't film it on my phone yesterday, but today I'll film a little bit. Yeah, oh, my hair looks nice. Okay, bye.
그냥 리아랑 찍어 먹어.
There's turtle and a fish.
와우, 귀엽네. 거북이하고.
There's another turtle down there. 여기 가서 거북이를
이게 전부야. 거북이는 뭐라 하지? 거북이말로 남생이라고. 파르라고.
엄마 여기 빨간색이 있어. Tortoise?
그거지. 토토나이즈 있잖아. 근데 이게 제일 큰 거 아니야. 작은 피치가 아니야.
짝짓기 할 때.
짝짓기라고. 이게 도망가잖아. 이 모양만 얘가 작아서 그렇지. 이게 전통적인 띠아야.
So right now we're in the car and we're going to
빵 먹겠다.
chicken alfredo, breadsticks, blah 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 blah.
최고 맛있네. 야, 스테이크 먹어봐. 맛있죠? 이 슈리프 꽤 큰 거다, 그치? 이 정도 사이즈 나오면.
너 풀다 술 많을 거 아니야?
슈리프 맞나?
유지해놔라.
먹어봐가지고.
먹어보고 가야 되는데. 고객 자기 시킨 게 치킨 다 맞아? 물어봐?
디스타블
그냥 물어보자.
우리가 20년 전이라니까.
근데 10년이랬잖아. 10년이 앞으로
10년도 아니야. 거의 15년. 우리 캐나다 산지 10년이 넘었어.
I can't get the pasta. It's okay.
얘들 스티커 초코까지 다 가져왔는데 물어보고 이제 안 한다.
So we're in our next hotel now. Yay! We are probably gonna go to Disney Springs later because my brother's at epcot right now. So yeah. Oh, I need to retouch my makeup. But yeah.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Going to Disney Springs. We at Disney Springs. Apa? we were at Disney Springs again, and then I went to the Disney store and I bought a headband. It was overpriced, $35. Cinderella one? No, sorry, Tangled. Rapunzel. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Tangled. Okay, I think I'm just tired, but we just got tired of buying some food. So yeah.